Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will show you how to accept friend requests on Facebook. By following these simple steps, you can easily connect with new friends and expand your social circle. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. From the right side, under the label Friend Requests, click on See All. Step 3. On the new page, scroll down to view all the pending friend requests. Step 4. If you have many requests, click on See More to view them all. Step 5. To accept a friend request, simply click on the Confirm button. By accepting friend requests, you can strengthen your connections and engage with others on the platform. It's a great way to stay connected with friends, family, and acquaintances. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends who might also want to know how to accept friend requests on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.